Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is for a Minolta Multi AF115. I think it's pronounced as Riva or something. Zoom camera. This is a very quick camera. I was quite surprised on actually how quick this camera was. I think it's on the lines of like the Freedom camera, which is also listed on my eBay sale page. Now, this is a 35mm film camera. It comes with its original Minolta adjustable wrist neck strap. And also it comes with a Hammond camera case, which also has a long neck strap. This is the camera. It's in beautiful condition, as you will see. And you see I got a film in this camera as well. There are a couple of marks, tiny marks here by the opening, you can see. But other than that, a fantastic camera. I will place the camera on and you will see how quick it is. There we go. That is the lens. Beautiful lens. No scratches, no fungus, no coating loss. We are on 13 on the camera with flash red eye reduction, and it's in auto. I will zoom the camera lens out. As you can see, it's very quick. And back in again. So that is working perfectly. I will take a photo. As you see, the autofocus light is working perfectly. And then, there you go, we have 14 on the camera. I will turn the red eye and I will turn the flash off, so then we can take another picture. This is flashing because the flash is off. And there you go, we are on 15. I will put the timer on. As you can see, the timer at the front. I will press down on the camera and you can see that the timer is working perfectly. And again, we are now on 16. So I will carry on without a flash and test the film motor a little further until I decide to stop, and then I will take other pictures on eBay of the film motor further on, showing in the display on the eBay sale page. But as you can see, we're on 16. Very quick indeed. And there you have it. We are on 20 now, so there is nothing wrong with the film motor. I will turn the camera off again. A truly nice camera to have. If you would like to purchase it, please head over to ebay.co.uk, username jakejim. Add a like or subscribe. Thank you for watching.